Well, I thought I'd give you guys a little shot before the sun comes up here. It's really one of my favorite times of the day. There it is, the sun just peeking up over the horizon. I love watching the sun come up. It's a little chilly this morning, so turned on the little heater just to take the chill off. About to get my coffee going here. In case you're wondering, I do use a propane tank with a Y on it, so I can run my stove and heater off the same tank. That's how I do that. There's that beautiful sun. That'll warm things up. Look at that. Well, this place has been amazing. It's pretty much been windy here all the time. We've had a few moments here and there with no wind, but small price to pay for this. I'm gonna go get out of the wind here. Okay, well this is lunch today. I just got some Fritos corn chips with this Amy's organic chili, black bean chili. It's kind of a mild chili. A little bit of shredded cheddar cheese, some onion, tomato, cilantro. Not bad. This is what happens when I do my dishes here. Oh, these guys think they're gonna get my scraps. Sorry guys, no handouts. So I have been here for a full 7 days, so it is time for me to move on. I found a place up north a little bit, about I think 90 miles from here, so I got a good couple hour drive ahead of me. I'm gonna go ahead and get loaded up here and move on to my next spot, see how it works out.
It's a very fine day. It's a very fine day.
All right, it is time to pull out of here. I'm gonna be driving about 90 miles to my next camp. And unfortunately, it's gonna be a little bit cooler than it's been here. But it's a sacrifice I'm gonna make to continue to be camped on a lake. Hopefully the wind won't be as bad up there. We shall see. This is one of those spots where you just gotta kind of take the chance and come check it out, because it could be totally packed and crowded. Could be just horrendous winds the whole time you're here. That's how it works. You just got to roll the dice. You could even get brain-eating amoebas from the water if you go swimming. But you know, you got to take a risk every now and then in life to have fun. Thank you, Telephone Cove. That was awesome. That place has a very spotty cell signal there. I was able to pick up Cricket Wireless and Verizon, but very weak. Had to use a booster and had to be in the right spot. I was able to do a lot of exploring on the trail bike around here too. That was awesome. Jack and Sinead from Wandering Patches were here for a few days while I was here. So me and Jack went on a good ride over to the dam. That was cool. Just had a really good time. Needed that. Felt like I needed to just get kind of centered and grounded. It's a great spot for that. Those dirt roads always seem shorter coming out than they do going in. I'm gonna stop up here and punch in my destination. See what kind of route we're looking at. Go from there. Let's see what we got here. Travel only on routes designated with this symbol, little yellow arrow. No target shooting. Looks like a little bit of washboard, but we'll just take our time. Looks like we got about 3.5 miles. I'm not the only one coming out here. It says 4x4 recommended, but I just saw a little Toyota come out of here, so I'm going to go ahead and do it in the van. This is definitely a pretty rough road. Just going to take my time, cruising about 5-7 miles per hour. Wow, look at this. What? Look at all the colors. Oh my gosh. This is fantastic. Look at all the orange. Wow. Where are we going? This is so fun. This is my favorite part of living on the road, going down dirt roads like this. Not really knowing what's going to be at the end. It's awesome. Kind of reminds me of Death Valley a little bit. Except there's going to be a big lake down at the bottom. Wow, those colors are just far out. I don't know if you guys can see that way off in the distance straight ahead there. You can see some blue water. Well, we're getting there slowly but surely. This is actually really fun just creeping along like this. It really builds up the anticipation of the end of the road. It says 3. I don't think that's mile 3. I don't feel like we've gone a mile since the last sign. Flash flood area. See if we don't get flooded out. We've got a 15-day camping limit here. It's kind of an odd number, literally. Like they do have a vault toilet there. It's kind of sitting off by itself. That's interesting. Gosh, this red rock is just breathtaking. Looks like there's some camp spots off to the right there. Not sure how close to the water we're going to be able to get. we'll check it out. It's just about to come into view for you guys. Wow. There's a few people down here. Boy, these hills just come right down to the water's edge. Just got my cell signal back. They weren't kidding. That works out good. Well, let's see if we can find a nice spot right by the water here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go right up against here. This little hill might cut the wind a little bit. We'll see how that works. Well, we made it to Kingman Wash. This place is pretty awesome. It is super windy. There's been some really strong gusts. I don't know if it's just where I'm at in this little hillside pocket here, but I'm getting these big gusts. It's kicking up a ton of dust, and I'm not seeing that in other spots, so I might end up moving. I'm just gonna kind of feel it out for a little bit. But very, very beautiful being surrounded by all these rocks. It's pretty fantastic. Then we got the lake right here. Yes. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate y'all following along. We'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.